Hello, carpet cleaning world. I just wanted you to see the Soap Daddy line of cleaning agents that I use that are only doing one thing, making me money. All right, let's start over here on the left with the Bio Spray '08. Now, this is what I use when someone doesn't really have high soil carpets, probably light to mild soil carpets, and this works great. And then right here, let me move this out the way, we have the famous Prime Time. Now this one that comes in different scents. This one right here is the Prime Time Linen. And this smells so good and the clients love it. So that's the Prime Time enzyme. Now this is what I use for mildly soiled to high soil carpets. This works phenomenally well and it smells great. And then, the name says it all. Savage Serum. This is what you use a high pH pre-spray when you have a commercial carpet situation like restaurants or something like that that really need that heavy punch. And this is the high pH carpet pre-spray. I think it's about a 13. But this works great, and once again, it smells so good. So those are the three line of pre-sprays that I use from Soap Daddy. But this Prime Time right here, this also comes in citrus and apple. So you can get different scents. I like the lemon preferably, but that's just my choice. But now, if you're a real carpet cleaner, a professional carpet cleaner, you try to get out spots. And ladies and gentlemen, this right here with the mask is called the Red Raider. I got this about a year ago and tried it out. I couldn't believe how well this worked. It even worked better than CTI's Red Relief. It really works that good. You gotta try the Red Raider by Soap Daddy. And then, here, OG1. That says it all. Organic stain remover, such as blood, tea, things like that are organic stains. These right here. If you're a professional carpet cleaner, you gotta be working on getting out some spots. So right here is my arsenal for the Soap Daddy line that I use. The Bio Spray '08, the Prime Time enzyme, the linen fragrance, and then right here, the Savage Serum high pH carpet pre-spray for situations for commercial, such as restaurants and things like that. And then it wouldn't be complete if I didn't try to get out the phenomenal or always known red stains that people have in their carpets. And right here, the OG1 for the organic stain removers. Organic spots. So right here, I just wanted you to see Soap Daddy. You can go to mysoapdaddy.com and order you some. He even has a sample pack so you could try a bunch of them and see which ones you like. But ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the carpet cleaning industry in 2019, you must try Soap Daddy's line of cleaning agents so you can really have something in your arsenal that will really fight your upcoming situations. Thank you and have a good day.